Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. So friends, I will discuss a topic that top earbuds in 2024 and its budget. So let's start our video and go to the mobile screen. So the fourth one is Boss Quiet Comfort Earbuds to specification exotic design, closed weight to 6.2 gram per bud, 59.8 gram charging case, frequency response not specified, drivers in 9.3 full range dynamic drivers, reason to buy smaller more comfortable design, best in class noise cancellation, natural and well balanced sound. The Boss Quiet Comfort earbuds 2 are a favorite noise cancellation earbuds. Yes, even though the newer no, Boss Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds have essentially superseded them because the new buds are only a marginal step up for the core sound and ANC quality, and we are fans of for the better value. You will no get more get from these just slightly older QCE2 buds. The ANC is supremely effective here thanks to what Boss calls custom tune, which use an audio signal picked up by a mic inside each bud to automatically calibrate. There is a no set ANC and sound either, which is an oversight here, and unfortunately there are no wireless charging rather than excellent at 6 hours or up to 24 hours in total using in case. Happily, Boss ANC improvements are not at the expense of sound quality. Sound quality design wise, the Boss Quiet Comfort earbuds 2 are 30% smaller than previous generation with a more compact and lighter charging case. However, we did find the fit took some getting used to, and is unlikely to suit everyone. At first, the Boss Quiet Comfort earbuds 2 are Boss earbuds, which means they are typically on the expensive side, but we if you can afford them, these are arguably the best noise cancellation true wireless earbuds you can get today. So the next one is Apple AirPods Pro 2, specification exotic design, closed weight 5.3 gram, frequently used driver, custom Apple design, battery life 6 hours, reason to buy fantastic active noise cancellation, very strong audio quality, great features when used with iPhone. The Apple AirPods Pro 2 are excellent earbuds that have a strong claim to be the first best option for Apple lovers. One of the top features here is the active noise cancellation, which competes with the Boss option above the effectiveness and blocking out almost all external noise. Although we rate the Boss slightly higher, the adaptive transparency mode is also a nice trick, adjusting its blocking of outside sound on the fly. In terms of battery, you get 6 hours with ANC on and 30 hours with a case too, and that case is IPX4 water resistant and has a speaker and wireless tracking chip. So if you lost it your phone and literally point you towards it, or it can be foundly the find find my network. Audio performance is great and is vastly improved over the original AirPods Pro. There's a rich sound across genres and a wide and expansive sound stages, booked and deep yet controlled bass and clear elevated terrible. There's a lots of detail and it's energetic too. If we were to criticize them, we might say it's a little too forward compared to the more natural and neutral sound of the crucial part of the for why you would choose these our other options, though although is the extra feature they include for those if lots of Apple Gear on top of the Find My Sport. They switch between your Apple device seamlessly. They can share audio with other AirPods or Beats headphones. They offer personalized audio tweaks and even optimized battery charging to help make sure they last longer. But to access all of this, you must use them with iPhone. With anything else, you are looking at basic. They play music and you can switch between noise cancellation and transparency function. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro specification of weight 5.5 gram with frequency response 20 to 20,000 Hz, driver custom policial 2-way battery life 5 hours, buds 18 hours case, reason to buy vastly improved high res sound quality, solid ANC classic comfortable design and finish. uh, Samsung has a formidable reputation in the smartphone market. It is Galaxy Buds never quite hit a home run that changed with the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. These earbuds are packed full of useful perks, include excellent ANC voice barrier detection and customizable on ear controls, all of which work very well indeed. Plus IPX7 water ingredients protection. This would have been almost a perfect list of species, merit only the disappointing 5-hour battery life. The headline grabbing feature if you own a Samsung Galaxy device is spatial audio, which with optional head tracking, thus allowing you to use your phone as the focal point to track more of that new end-to-end 24-bit high res audio to whichever ear you prefer. The Samsung Galaxy Bud 2 Pro sport a two-way driver design with the 10 mm woofer and 5.4 mm tweeter in each earbud. It is a formidable improvement on Samsung previous earbud release. So friends, I will discuss all types of earbuds in 2024 and its budget. So I hope you are like a video. Please share my video to your friends and hit the subscribe button.